Okay, so now we have some numeric bases and with these rational exponents, and we're going to simplify them. So when we have that situation where it's a number and we're going to try to simplify it, it's usually easier to do the root part first. So this first one here, we have the 27 to the 2/3. So remember, this is going to be the root, the index, and then this will be the exponent. So I'm going to rewrite it as the cubed root of 27, and then I'm going to square that. So that's how I'm going to write it, and that's how I'm going to work the problem. So the denominator becomes the index. That's how you're going to know what root to take. And then the exponent, you'll have to raise it to the exponent. But it's easier to do the root first because it makes the number smaller. So if you're like, well, I wanted to square the 27 and then take the cubed root, you could do that, but it's usually easier to have smaller numbers. Okay, do we know the cubed root of 27? Maybe we do. It's 3. So that radical part becomes 3, and then we're going to square it, which is 9. So that's how that one simplifies. All right. The next one has a negative exponent. Okay, so we want to take care of that negative right at the beginning. Make it 1 over 81 to the 3/2. I don't like to have negative exponents too long. I like to take care of them right away and get them out of the way. Now I can work with a positive exponent. So it's going to be 1 over, so the 2 becomes the index, so it's going to be a square root. And then it's going to be square root of 81. And then we're going to cube that. Okay, so 1 over, and then I know the square root of 81 is 9. And then I have to know what 9 to the 3rd power is. I'm pretty sure it's 729. So 1 over 729. Okay, so maybe I should double check that, but I'm pretty sure it's 729. 9 to the 3rd power. Yep, 729. Okay. So take care of that negative on the exponent right away. That'll make your life easier. Okay. Now we have one. Again, it has a negative exponent. Okay, so we're going to do what we just said. 1 over 16 to the 3/4. Okay, so here's the index. That's going to be the root part. And then the 3 will be the exponent. So it's going to be, this is going to be written as 1 over the 4th root of 16, and then whatever that is, we're going to raise it to the 3rd power. Okay, so we know the 4th root of 16, that's 2. So now I have 1 over 2 cubed. Then I have to think about what's 2 cubed. 2 times 2 times 2. So it's going to be 1 over 8. Okay.